I used to think that turning 60 meant accepting daily aches and a constant lack of energy as my new reality. Waking up stiff, feeling that dull ache in my knees on the stairs, and needing a nap by 3 p.m. It felt like my body was just winding down. But then, I found out that a simple route, probably already sitting in my kitchen, could completely change my health. This one shift didn't just ease my joint pain. It felt like it was turning back the clock. And today, I'm going to share how it works and how you can use it, too. Let's be honest. After 60, our bodies just feel different. It's more than wrinkles or gray hair. It's a deeper, more frustrating change. It's the inflammation that settles in our joints, the sluggish circulation that leaves our hands and feet cold, and that constant drain on our energy. But what if this isn't just an inevitable part of getting older? The real culprit behind many of these issues is chronic, low-grade inflammation. Scientists even have a name for it, inflammaging. It's a major driver of conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Trying to fight it with diet alone can feel overwhelming. But what if you could give your body a powerful, natural firefighter? That's where ginger comes in. For centuries, it has been used in traditional medicine. But now, modern science is confirming just how powerful this humble root is, especially for us. So, what makes ginger so special? It's packed with potent compounds, most notably gingerol and shagol. These are the active ingredients that give ginger its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Think of antioxidants as your body's personal rust-proofing service. With age, our cells are damaged by oxidative stress, a process similar to how metal rusts. Ginger's compounds are incredibly effective at neutralizing these damaging free radicals, helping to protect your cells and slow aging on a cellular level. But its anti-inflammatory effects are where it truly shines for those of us over 60. These compounds work by inhibiting the very pathways in your body that produce the chemicals causing pain and swelling. It's like having a natural pain reliever that doesn't just mask symptoms but addresses the root cause. This isn't just a theory. It's backed by research showing ginger can significantly reduce markers of inflammation in the body. If you're over 60, there's a good chance you or someone you know struggles with osteoarthritis. That deep, grinding pain in the knees, hips, or hands can be debilitating. But this is where the science behind ginger gets really exciting. Multiple studies have shown that ginger can be effective at reducing arthritis pain and improving mobility. Several clinical trials found that participants with osteoarthritis of the knee who took ginger extract experienced a noticeable reduction in pain, compared to those who took a placebo. Think about that for a moment, a simple route offering the kind of relief many seek from pharmaceuticals, and the dosage doesn't have to be extreme. Some clinical trials have found that supplementing with just 500 milligrams of ginger powder daily for 12 weeks lowered inflammatory markers in older patients with knee osteoarthritis. Here's another interesting discovery. Ginger's power may be amplified when combined with other natural compounds. A 2020 clinical trial compared a combination of ginger, curcumin, and black pepper to the common pain reliever naproxen. The results showed that over 4 weeks, the herbal combination was comparable to naproxen in reducing inflammation and pain. 4. Knee osteoarthritis. This powerful trio works together to tackle inflammation, often without the harsh side effects associated with long-term use of some medications. You can also use ginger topically. Applying a ginger compress or a patch soaked in ginger extract directly to a painful joint can provide remarkable, soothing relief, as the warmth and anti-inflammatory compounds penetrate the skin. If you're finding this information valuable and believe in using natural solutions to reclaim your health, please take a moment to press the like button. And if you want more tips on how to thrive after 60, make sure you subscribe. Sharing this video with a friend who's battling joint pain could truly make a difference in their life. While relief from joint pain is a life changer, ginger's benefits don't stop there. It's a true whole-body tonic for healthy aging. First, let's talk about brain health. The same inflammation that damages our joints also affects our brain. Promising research, primarily in animal studies, suggests that ginger has neuroprotective effects and may help protect against age-related cognitive decline. One small human study on middle-aged women who took ginger extract daily showed an improvement in working memory and cognitive function. Next is heart health. Some studies suggest ginger may support a healthy cardiovascular system by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. It may help protect against the dangerous buildup of fatty deposits in our arteries by reducing inflammation, though more research is needed to confirm these effects. It might even play a supportive role in maintaining a healthy weight. A meta-analysis of 27 trials suggested that ginger supplementation modestly reduced body weight, BMI, and body fat percentage. It appears to do this by supporting a healthy metabolism and promoting feelings of fullness. How many times do you find yourself staring at the ceiling at 2 or 3 a.m.? Disrupted sleep is one of the most common complaints after 60, and ginger might offer a gentle, natural approach. The theory is that ginger helps address some root causes of poor sleep, By warming the body and improving circulation, it can send a signal to the brain that it's time to rest. By calming inflammation, it may quiet the internal alarm system that can jolt you awake. Interestingly, some believe ginger may support the body's natural sleep cycle by promoting calm. Instead of forcing you into sedation like a sleeping pill, ginger could gently guide your body back into its natural rhythm. However, it's important to note that the scientific evidence here is limited. One trial on ginger-added foot baths found it offered no additional improvement for insomnia over a plain warm water foot bath, suggesting that consuming ginger as a tea might be more effective. So, how do you add this anti-aging root into your life effectively and safely? Here are the practical steps. 1. The right dose. For general health benefits, you can aim for about 1 to 2 grams of ginger per day. For targeted arthritis relief, studies have often used doses up to 1 gram daily, sometimes divided into smaller doses, and taken with food to prevent stomach upset. The Arthritis Foundation also suggests that up to 4 cups of ginger tea per day is a good option. 2. The best forms. You have options. Fresh ginger root. This is excellent for making tea. Simply grate about a teaspoon of fresh ginger into a mug of hot water. Ginger powder, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of powdered ginger daily, can be added to smoothies, soups, or taken in capsules. Topical compresses. For direct joint relief, soak a cloth in a strong ginger tea. Wring it out and apply it to the painful joint for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. The power recipes. The ultimate anti-inflammatory tea. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh turmeric into a mug. Add hot water, a pinch of black pepper, a squeeze of lemon, and a touch of honey. Drink this once or twice a day. The calming bedtime tea. About an hour before bed, simply steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water. The warmth and gentle compounds can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. 4. A quick word of caution. Ginger is overwhelmingly safe, but it's important to be smart, because it can have a mild blood-thinning effect. You should speak with your doctor before starting a high-dose ginger regimen, especially if you are already on blood thinners like warfarin. Turning 60 doesn't have to mean a life of aches, pains, and low energy. By rediscovering the incredible power hidden in simple, natural ingredients like ginger, we can take back control of our health. We've seen that ginger is more than just a spice. It's a scientifically backed tool to fight inflammation, ease joint pain, protect your brain and heart, and maybe even help you sleep more deeply. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the most profound solutions have been with us all along, waiting in our own kitchens. Start small. Try a cup of ginger tea tonight. Feel the warmth spread through your body. Pay attention to how your joints feel in the morning. This simple act is a powerful step toward a more vibrant, pain-free life. What is your favorite way to use ginger? Have you felt its benefits yourself? Share your story in the comments below. Could inspire someone else to start their own journey to better health. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss our next video on natural ways to thrive in your best years.